Paper 2. Paper 2, thank you. Paper 2. Question 5B. Outline 7 factors that may lead to misuse of leisure. 7 marks. So factors that have led to misuse of leisure, there is pornography, poverty, or you can misuse leisure either because of poverty or too much wealth. Also due to feeling insecure. Social oppression, misunderstanding in the family, also peer pressure, ignorance, and lack of facilities. Question 5C, what is the role of the church in promoting self-employment? How is the church promoting self-employment? The church opens polytechnics. The church sponsors students, provides for them guidance and counseling, provides them machines where they are needed. They also look for market for the goods. If you are self-employed, you know you need a market. So they look for the market. They also hold seminars on particular chances that are there on self-employment or any challenges that you may encounter. They also give loans. The church gives loans. Question 6A, outline the traditional African concept of wealth. So what is wealth in the traditional African community? It is a blessing from God. It is part of human existence. Also, wealth is measured in the number of wives that you have, or number of children, or property. Wealth can be individually owned or communally owned in the traditional African society. Also, wealth determines your social status. There are rules governing it. And in the traditional African society, we are also told that you should share with the needy. Give 8 reasons why corruption is widespread in Kenya today. Due to unemployment, desire for instant services. You are corrupt. You want to give bribe because you need instant services, maybe in the hospital. Also, some people are corrupt because they compensate for the little salary that they have. Lack of moral integrity. We have greed. We have tribalism, fear of arrests, and ignorance. Because you're scared of being arrested, if maybe you're driving and you've disobeyed the law, you give what? Bribe. Explain 6 ways the church is using to eradicate poverty in Kenya. The church is offering subsidized medical care, or you can just say it is even offering free medical services. You can either call it subsidized or free medical care. Also, the church prays for the poor. You offer guidance and counseling to eradicate poverty. You give bursaries, especially students receive bursaries. Also, the church takes care of the poor, speaks against sicknesses, and also establishes projects that are helpful to the poor.